Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to add Intero token to your Trust wallet. In case you bought your Intero tokens and they're not yet displaying, don't get worried as long as you did the swap. So I'm going to show you how you can see the number of tokens you bought. So this is my wallet. You click on this. There's something here, add tokens. This, you see this, add tokens. This where I've put a rectangle, red rectangle. You click on that. You can paste the contact address. Sometimes it does accept, but sometimes it doesn't accept. As you can see, it's not accepting. So you click on add custom token. You see this word here, custom token. This is everyone seeing that, add custom token. And then you click on this. You go to the network here, Ethereum. You see that? Are you guys seeing that? So you click on Ethereum. You change it to Binance Smart Chain. This one on top. You choose the one on top here. You choose this one. You click on that. You click on that. So now you paste the contract address. Just click on the word here, paste. Since I already copied it, so you're going to copy it from the description of this video below. It's on. I've attached it on the description below. So you paste it there. It will auto complete, as you can see. The name is Intero ITT, and then you click on done. And then you're finished. You click on this, done. You click on done. And your ITT is going to show. So this is my ITT. It is now showing. You can see down here it's showing. So that's how you add your Intero to your Trust wallet. Thank you.